it gets deep. Come on, it's infinite, we still climbing, yes, yes, y'all. And thanks for the positive vibes, but I still got a mountain to climb. Just take it one step at a time,
I'm gonna
yo.
ball till I fall, gonna ride till I die. I'll never give in, yo, if I wanna survive. Not gonna swallow my pride, I'll never give up, cause when it's all said and done, is what I've done enough. I push myself to the edge, I push myself to the brink. Is the toil all worth it? It makes me stop and think. But through the mud and the mire, the joy and the strife, no one can claim that I didn't live all of this beautiful life.
I stay up late, not tripping on how this world works. Looking for some insight, inhale, hold tight. This could be my last breath. The carbon I exhale, it's butterfly effects. But the reality is this, either one can manifest. I'm careful with my thoughts, just strive to be the best. A few things at a time. Tonight, I decided just to focus on a rhyme. I'll come back to...
So this is Arangi Terrace, Murray's Mound, Henman Hill. Call it pretty much what you like. Generally call it Henman Hill on the unofficial basis. Murray's Mound is also, of course, very important. This is where two television screens. It's a show court, that means it has a lot of cameras, it has Hawkeye. This is above 700 feet seats here. These are unreserved, so if you get that seat with a ground pass, it's yours for as long as you sit on it. Extra seats here, big studios for television companies. In 2010, they played here 3 days. They finished on the Thursday, started on the Tuesday. Scoreboard here showed 70-68 for the final set. How could it happen?
Rain.
No tie break.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's how it could happen. And it could have happened before, of course, but it never did.
Must be there.
Our anchor is Sue Barker. She sits there. She was a player herself many years ago. She won the French Open. She has guests, pundits, who are here to talk about the matches. They include people like that will either be a Jaguar Saloon or a Land Rover or Range Rover, depending on your height and the number of people you need and how important you are. So if you're Roger, you'll probably have 4 cars and 2 houses. If you're a newcomer junior, you'll have... You won't get past the 3rd round. So get it from the plan. This could be my last breath. The carbon I exhale, it's butterfly effects, but the reality is this. Either one can manifest. I'm careful with my thoughts. Just try. Absolutely. So interviewing is part of your professional duty as a tennis player. It's a year.
Nice.
Want me to repeat that? Few. Yeah, so you can all afford it basically. It's just a question of finding those 4 friends who already belong. Yeah. So start looking through your address. Championships, and nobody will play tennis here before the championships. I say that. Tonight I decided just to focus on a rhyme. I'll come back to it.
I know you can't. Good.
Angelique did not do well in 2019, so the pattern is less difficult. Nice money to be made in couples who specialise who are honouring their foot club, who make a good living. They reckon $500 million a year easy for just doubles player. Cabal and Farrar are reigning champions of the first Torcida. It was against Mahmoud and Roger Vasselin. And my God, was it vicious. And Mahmoud got hit twice in the body.
Where is Serena?
Partnerships. We see Martina Hingis in 2017. She, of course, retired after doing cocaine. Here in 2000, but she's one of our youngest ever Japanese. 1996, she was daily struggles. She was literally the youngest. One of very good Indian players going to start. Supati, Pace, these all Ram. Jamie Murray is Andy's brother, and he has made a very lucrative career out of being double special. This is a fascinating story. Wheelchair testing started by accident in America in the 1970s. American Brad Hart, a skiing accident, who wanted to do some sports. He thought about doing tennis and wheelchair. Next man called Jeff Winnebraker, who had an automobile accident. He was an engineer. He invented the very first chair. When they started to sell it, it was literally a cottage industry. The chairs are very light. So much for coming today. I've really enjoyed guiding you. You've been extremely receptive and enthusiastic audience. Please do come back and attend the tennis, won't you, one year, either through the queue or through the ballot. You choose your way. You've got the museum and the shop opposite, well worth seeing. The museum, you've got a tea shop to the left, and
deep, come on, it's infinite, we still climbing, yes, yes, y'all. And thanks for the positive vibes, but I still got a mountain to climb. Just take it one step at a time,
I'm gonna
yo.
ball till I fall, gonna ride till I die. I'll never give in, yo, if I wanna survive. Not gonna swallow my pride, I'll never give up, cause when it's all said and done, is what I've done enough. I push myself to the edge, I push myself to the brink. Is the toil all worth it? It makes me stop and think. But through the mud and the mire, the joy and the strife, no one can claim that I didn't live all of this beautiful life.